Today, we will discover how to spot setups quickly. We will be observing the price action in detail for momentum trading. Furthermore, we will improve our trading skills to achieve pro trader level. If you are ready, let's go. Today we will continue using our best indicator, which is the ICT high time frames candles. By using this powerful indicator, I'll be carefully observing multiple time frames at once in a single and well-organized layout. Please take a moment to notice the several imbalance areas that appear clearly in this chart, ranging from the 30-minute to the 4-hour time frame. With the 30-minute and 45-minute imbalances being tapped, along with the 1 and 2-hour timeframes, the imbalances were also clearly touched and confirmed. However, as you can clearly see with the 3-hour and 4-hour timeframes, there was no imbalance tap at all. So all of this together indicates that something very specific and important might be forming here. If you zoom in closely on the 1-hour and 2-hour area, you will easily notice clear swing failure patterns occurring in that zone. Now let us slowly move to talk about the lower time frames and also see how we can use this useful information from our indicator to apply it in smaller time frames for making solid entries. This is the main area of multiple imbalances, combined with a repeated swing failure pattern that we need to pay attention carefully. And at the exact same time, if you simply look just a little below, you will clearly notice two very significant SR flip areas forming strongly. I will now zoom in more closely on this important area to further discuss in detail the entries and also the possible stop loss to consider. As you can see on the left, we have a MASTERCLASS structure box. Right above it, there is an extremely large imbalance area, which also comes directly from the multi-imbalance indicator. If you look a little higher, you will notice a nice formation taking place. It is not exactly equal highs, but it is showing relatively equal highs at the very top. Now what happens here? The market structure breaks. Then the price slowly pulls back to the imbalance zone. It also sweeps the inner liquidity one more time, which gives you a nice and solid 2-hour setup that looks very clean. I personally think I should be risking around 0.5% here. We clearly have risks in this situation. There are two significant SR flips just below, and also a large imbalance area that still needs to be covered. Also, do not forget the 3 and 4-hour imbalances that have never been tapped until now. So what can I actually do here? Again, I will be risking 0.5R in this trade. And in the below, I will be using my remaining risk with a limit order placed. This will cover all the imbalances and SR flip areas in a much safer way. As you can notice, I simply divided my risk into two separate pieces. By doing this, I will carefully reduce my possible losses and also increase my overall chances of winning a trade. I think this makes everything very clear and simple for how to handle trades in this type of situations. Now what you see here is the Bitcoin chart with a multi-time frame indicator. However, in this chart, something looks quite conflicting and confusing at the same time. If you carefully look at the 1-hour and 2-hour charts, you will notice that the price reached the nice imbalance areas, and then a swing failure pattern occurred right after. However, the main problem here is the way the price actually came to this level. Notice how these large bearish imbalances appeared? The selling pressure and power in this move is clearly very strong. If you look just a little above, you will also see that previously the sellers used the bearish imbalances once again, and they managed to push the price down very strongly. When you see charts with both bullish and bearish imbalances, with large imbalances showing up on both sides, these are highly conflicting moments even for me as well. The best thing you can do is, in a situation, simply not trade at all. The second thing that you can do, if you really want to take the risk, is to take much less risk than normal. By doing this, you will lose less than usual and still manage to keep the main account alive and going steadily. Okay friends, I hope that this video was educational enough for you. See you in the next video and take care of yourself for now. Completed the free trading course but still need more? My master classes teach liquidity, imbalance, and the market structure in detail. Combine them with forward and reverse trading using momentum superboxes and yo-yo cost average entry models. After that, you will master scalping with a one-screen free TradingView indicator, a revolutionary trading system. Finally, you will learn to invest your profits using my 10-year swing investing with working agent system. Interested? Please see the video description.